Yada, 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 the city. Hey there, Turbo Loser.
Dr. Dance, what kind of showstopper have you cooked up this time?
Thanks, Turbo Lover. My hostages stay at the Sunny Castle Retirement Home off Bathurst and Steeles Avenue, where they enjoy dancing against their will to the sonic waves transmitted from my vibrorium helmet. I, Dr. Dance, former aspiring dancer rejected by Toronto's Dance Academy, will now have my revenge. I will force these geezers to dance till they drop dead, unless you can stop me, that is. I'm totally evil. Look, I even got an evil monkey, Chuckles St. Clair. Come and stop me, Turbo Loser, if you can. No, but seriously, you gotta come. It's gonna be awesome.
Aha! A challenge! This sounds like a job for the TTC. Justice awaits. Justice sure can wait. Hey, anyone know when this streetcar arrives? Perhaps this is why they do not post arrival times. Very clever, TTC. I will have to deal with you later. Until then, I am at your mercy. But there will be no mercy for you, Dr. Dance. Your dance card is about to be revoked.
Later.
Aha! At last! It arrives just in time. Wait, what? Not in service? Ugh! This is bullshit.
Later still.
Maybe I should just start walking. Hey, how long have you been waiting?
Even later still.
This train's last stop will be Roncesville and will be going out of service. Sorry for the inconvenience.
Son of a bitch!
Didn't you hear?
Um?
The TTC just had a union strike at midnight. It's all over the news.
It is a dark day for urban vigilantism. Everywhere.
I guess. Actually, I'm now kind of stranded too. You think you can, well, do you mind walking me home? If you don't have any plans, that is.
Sure.
What do you mean a rain check? There are no rain checks in our line of work. What? Oh, yeah, I'll go do that. I'll just ask the hostages if they come back some other time when it's more convenient. Are you nuts? This is supposed to be my big break. I hired a publicist and everything. You're gonna make me look bad in front of my monkey.
We have fun. The most important thing is we had an adventure. These things happen, I guess. On the bright side, I met a nice girl. I walked her home and I got a date for next Saturday.
Unbelievable.
I know, huh? You never know how these things are gonna go. Look, she's trying to call me, so I need this line. Sorry.
Hey, guy.